Good morning, everyone. So, children, today we will continue the same chapter which we have started in previous video. What was that? That was chapter 10, Force, Work and Energy. In that, we have studied about force and we have studied about the work. And today we are going to study about the simple machines. Okay, children, what do you mean by simple machines? Simple machines. ऐसे मशीन्स जो सिंपल होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड एज टूल्स, जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? टूल्स. सो सम टूल्स विच मेक आर वर्क इजियर एंड फास्टर. कुछ टूल्स ऐसे होते हैं बेटा जो हमारी लाइफ इजी कर देते हैं. हाउ दे आर जस्ट मेकिंग आवर लाइफ इजी? बिकॉज दे हेल्पिंग अस and they are helping in easier way and making our work faster also. हमारे work को faster भी कर देते हैं. So those tools are called as simple machines. So what are simple machines? Tools which makes our work easier and faster. So they are called as simple machines. Now what these simple machines are? What are the examples of simple machines? In simple machines के examples क्या हैं जिनको आप basically टूल्स बोल रहे हैं जो हमारा वर्क इजियर एंड फास्टर बनाते हैं? व्हाट दीज आर लेवर, इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. यू नीड टू लर्न द नेम्स. लेवर, इंक्लाइंड प्लेन, स्क्रू, wedge, wheel and axle and pulley. There are total 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are total 6 simple machines which you have to study. आपको इस सिंपल मशीन्स जो है 6, इनके बारे में स्टडी करनी है. दैट व्हाट यू मीन बाय लेवर, व्हाट यू मीन बाय इंक्लाइंड प्लेन, व्हाट यू मीन बाय स्क्रू, वेज, व्हील एंड एक्सल, एंड द लास्ट वन इज पुली. हाउ दे हेल्प अस, ये कैसे हमारी हेल्प करते हैं इन डे टू डे लाइफ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू डिस्कस अबाउट दीज. So let's start, children. First of all, we will discuss about lever. What is lever actually? Lever क्या होता है? Lever is a simple machine that is used to lift or move heavy weight. Okay? किसी भी heavy weight को अगर आपको हटाना है उसकी प्लेस से और उसको मूव कराना है, in that we can use the lever. And it can also use to open a lid of a tin, or it is used to cut things. किसी भी चीज़ को अगर कट करना है, so how the lever is working there, let's discuss about it. Suppose you are looking this picture. What I have made here? I have made here one tin and over which a lid is there. उसका ढक्कन लगा हुआ है and you have to remove it lid. आपको इस lid को हटाना है, replace करना है. So how can you open the lid? For that you can use the spoon. Okay, what you can use here? Spoon. And you can place the spoon in between the lid and the tin. In between you can push it and you can apply your force. और आप अपना इसमें force use कर सकते हैं so that the lid can be open. यहाँ से lid जो होगा वो open हो जाएगा. So here this spoon is working as a lever. यहाँ पर ये जो spoon है ये as a lever work कर रहा है. Same picture if you are looking here, this is a big stone and this is a small stone. We need to replace this stone. यहाँ से आपको हटाना है. For that you can use a stick. आप एक स्टिक यूज कर सकते हैं, बोल्डर यूज कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट स्टिक इज वर्किंग हियर एज अ लीवर. ये जो स्टिक है यहाँ पर किसकी तरह वर्क करी है? एज अ लीवर, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्टिक यू कैन रिप्लेस दिस बिग स्टोन फ्रॉम इट्स प्लेस. क्लियर? सो स्पून एंड स्टिक हियर इज वर्किंग एज अ लीवर. It is used to lift and move heavy weight. It can open a lid of a tin and it is used to cut things. Now we will talk about the inclined plane. That is the next inclined plane. Inclined plane. What do you mean by inclined plane? Actually, inclined plane is like a slide or ramp. As you can see in this picture, you can say this is a slide, and this kind of structure we have in front of our houses also. हम अपने घर के सामने भी एक रैम्प क्रिएट करते हैं, एक रैम्प बनवाते हैं. Why do we make a ramp in front of houses? What is the need of that? That means if you want to आपको अपनी जो व्हीकल है उसको easily अगर एंटर करवाना है घर में, so your ramp helps you. Here, how it helps you? Because this slope is basically, ये जो slope है is used to move heavy load. कोई भी heavy load है यहाँ से easily वो नीचे जा सकता है with the help of ramp. क्लियर। और यहाँ से अगर आपको इजीली ऊपर भी उसको चढ़ाना है तो भी वो इजीली जा सकता है. So in this way it help us. So what is inclined plane? Inclined plane is like a slide and ramp. You can say these are the example, and it is used to move heavy object or heavy load, you can say. Here now what is the next? Now children, if we will discuss about the next one is screw. आपका जो अगला है that is screw. What do you mean by screw? So screw is basically an inclined plane. It is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a nail because the structure of a screw is like a nail. इसका जो structure होता है वो एक nail की तरह होता है. Okay, and some lines are covering that cylinder. उस cylinder के ऊपर जो cylinder shape है उसमें कुछ lines बने होते हैं. This is the difference in between nail and screw because nail does not have these lines and screw has some lines. And what is the use of those lines actually? It is used to hold things together. With the help of these lines we can join the two things tightly. हमें कोई भी two things को join करना है. So with the help of these lines the things can be joined together. दो चीज़ों को आप आपस में easily जोड़ सकते हो. So and what we are looking actually it has a broad head. इसका जो ऊपर वाला जो portion होता है वो broad head होता है and we are looking a pointed tip at the lower side. उसके नीचे का side जो होता है वो pointed होता है so that you can fix the screw easily in between two things whatever you want to join. जो भी आपको join करना है आप easily उसको place करके उसको tightly hold कर सकते हैं. Clear? This is the use of a screw. And the next one is wedge. What is wedge? Wedge is basically consisting two inclined planes together. Two inclined planes together means if you are looking the structure of this, see this is one inclined plane, this is the second inclined plane. Inclined plane में आपने क्या पढ़ा था? It is a structure like slope ना, एक slope के जैसा structure आपने पढ़ा था. This is inclined plane. So wedge has two inclined planes joined, and this form basically sharp object. Whenever the two inclined planes join, so they would form, if these attach, so they would form a sharp object. ये क्या बनाते हैं? एक sharp object बनाते हैं. Clear? And this sharp object is used to cut things. ये जो sharp object होगा आपका वो किसी भी thing को आपको cut करना है उसमें ये use किया जाता है. So in axis, axe में ये use होता है and in knife, your knife is also example of wedge. So these are very sharp things which is used to cut things. जो थिंग्स को कट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सो स्क्रू इज यूज टू होल्ड द टू थिंग्स टुगेदर टाइटली एंड वेज इज यूज टू कट थिंग्स. क्लियर? नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी विल study about the next. Now children we will read about wheel and axle. What do you mean by wheel and axle? So as you are looking in this diagram, I have made a diagram here of wheel and axle. What we are looking that this circular object is called as wheel, and the rod which you are looking here, one rod which is attached to the wheel, this rod is working as a axle. That's why we are saying it as a wheel and axle. This circular object is a wheel and in the center of it one rod is passing through it. एक rod जो है जो pass out होती है, that you have seen, if you will see the tire, आप टायर देखेंगे तो उसमें देखना in center there is a rod. That rod is called as a axle. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Axle. That's why this simple machine is called as wheel and axle. In that example में आपके क्या क्या आते हैं? Basically tire, the tire of vehicles. If you will see the tire of vehicles, all are examples of wheel and axle. जितने भी टायर होंगे आपके वो किसके एग्जाम्पल होंगे? wheel and axle की. And apart from that some more examples are there which are considering as a wheel and axle, जिनको हम consider करते हैं as a wheel and axle. What these are? If you will take example of screwdriver, आपने screwdriver देखा होगा. How we use a screwdriver? Whenever we fix a screwdriver in something, so at a place we are moving it. हम एक ही जगह उसको क्या करते हैं? Move करते हैं. Clear? So that is also working as a wheel and axle, because here also your axle would be stable and the movement would occur on the wheel. Movement जो होगा वो आपका wheel में होगा और आपका जो axle होगा वो stable होगा. In same manner screwdriver एक ही जगह place fix होगा लेकिन वो screws को open कर सकता है आपका screwdriver. So screwdriver is working as a wheel and axle. After that, if we will take example of doorknob. Doorknob आपने देखी है, doorknob होती है when you push it, then you turn it, so your door can be opened, it can be closed. So doorknob is also an example of wheel and axle. And if we will take example of steering wheel. स्टेयरिंग व्हील कहाँ होता है? आपके व्हीकल में, आपकी कार में, जिससे आप ड्राइव करते हैं. दैट स्टेयरिंग व्हील इज ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हील एंड एक्सल विच इज यूज टू मूव ऑब्जेक्ट, जो मूवमेंट करवाता है ऑब्जेक्ट्स में फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. क्लियर? सो दिस वॉज अबाउट व्हील एंड एक्सल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन एंड लास्ट वन इज पुली. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पुली? पुली क्या होती है? So if you have seen, if you have gone to a well, अगर आप कभी किसी well पे गए हो in village, if you have seen, so you will see this kind of structure. आपने देखा होगा well में एक simple machine हम use करते हैं. This is called as pulley. इसको हम pulley बोलते हैं. So what is this actually? A pulley consists of grooved wheel and a rod. इसमें एक grooved wheel होता है. ग्रूव व्हील का मतलब होता है इट्स स्ट्रक्चर लाइक अ व्हील. इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो एक व्हील की तरह होता है. ओवर विच अ रॉप इज पास्ड. इसके ऊपर से हम एक रॉप पास करते हैं. रॉप का मतलब होता है रस्सी पास करते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इट? टू पुल समथिंग अप. कोई भी चीज़ आपको खींचनी है, मूवमेंट करवाना है, उसमें कोई निकालना है, आपको नीचे से कोई चीज़ ऊपर निकालनी है, दैट वी आर यूजिंग इट. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज पुली? पुली कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ ग्रूव व्हील and a rod. And what is the use of it? That is used to lift heavy load, which is used to lift heavy load. From this we are taking out the water out. We are dragging the water. हम draw कर रहे हैं water from the well. In this we are using it. And if you have seen the flag hoisting, if you have seen कभी आपने flag hoisting देखी हो, so in that also we are using a small pulley. उसमें भी small pulley use होती है, which is used to lift heavy load. Here, so children, these were examples of simple machines which we have discussed. All 6 are simple machines which are helping us a lot in our day-to-day life. Now we will study about the energy. What is energy? So energy, what do you mean by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. एनर्जी क्या होती है? एक एबिलिटी होती है वर्क को करने के लिए. आपने इस चैप्टर में वर्क के बारे में भी पढ़ा था. And now we are starting energy. What is energy? It's the ability to do work. किसी भी काम को करने की जो ability होती है वो energy होती है. Clear? And how do we produce energy and how energies can be converted? All these things we will read. So what is energy, children? The ability to do work. Okay? The ability to do work is called as energy. That is called as energy. आपके अंदर जो एनर्जी होती है उसकी हेल्प से ही आप कोई भी वर्क कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ एबिलिटी टू डू वर्क. एंड हाउ डू वी गेट एनर्जी? हमें कोई भी काम करने के लिए एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? वी गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम फूड, बिकॉज वी आर ईटिंग फूड एंड इन फूड सम न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर देयर व्हिच गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू डू द वर्क. So you need to understand what is energy. The ability to do work, that is energy. And in nature some sources of energies are present. What these sources of energy जिनकी हम वजह से हमको एनर्जी मिलती है? So firstly if we will discuss about the sun also giving us energy. Okay, it is giving us heat and light energy, because if sun would not be there we would not be able to see the things and we cannot imagine our life. हम अपनी लाइफ भी imagine नहीं कर सकते, because it is giving us heat and light energy. Okay, which we use in our day-to-day life, जो हमारे लिए essential है. And plants also using it, because you know very well that plants are making their food with the help of sunlight, because sunlight gives us solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called as solar energy. ऐसी energy जो हमें sun से मिल रही है वो solar energy होती है. And plants are also using solar energy to make their food. Clear? So if solar energy would not be there, so plants would not be able to make their food. And we also would not be able to get heat and light if sun would not be there. So it is the main source of energy on the earth surface. ये जो है sun, ये main source of energy है अर्थ के ऊपर. Clear? Now solar energy is used in many things also. Solar energy आप लोग solar cooker में भी use करते हैं. Solar cooker helps us to cook food. हमारे लिए क्या बनाता है? ये food बनाता है. Yeah, and solar energy is also used to produce electricity also. So it can be used in different work, जिसको हम different work के लिए use कर सकते हैं. And plants are also using it. There are many ways. ठीक है, जिसमें plants भी use करते हैं solar energy को. Now we will take example of wind. So wind is also producing energy, and moving air is producing energy. Moving air जो होती है वो produce करती है energy. Yeah, and this moving air, if it falls on the turbines, आपने कुछ windmill देखे होंगे. Windmill. What is the function of these windmill? These windmill actually producing electricity with the help of moving air, because moving air is consisting wind energy. तो उस एनर्जी से जो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है उसमें कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? उसमें हमारी विंड हेल्प कर रही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. इसीलिए हम इसको एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी रीड आउट कर रहे हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज वाटर. Running water is also having energy. Okay, it can also be used in different things. Like आपने डैम देखा होगा. In dam what happens actually? The water falls down on the turbine and turbine starts to move and they produce electricity. वो क्या produce करते हैं? Electricity produce करते हैं with the help of moving water. So here running water is also producing energy. वो भी energy produce कर रहा है. Clear? Now the next one is fuel. What do you mean by fuels? Now in fuels, what we will read that what do you mean by fuels? Actually fuels होते क्या हैं? So some substances like petrol, diesel, coal, okay, these substances are called as fuel because if we will burn it, so they will produce a heat and it can move a engine also. Suppose if we will talk about the petrol and diesel, we use these in vehicle to move their engine. उनके इंजन को मूवमेंट करवाने के लिए हम ये फ्यूल यूज करते हैं. Yeah, apart from that CNG is also a fuel. CNG, you need to know about CNG. CNG is a compressed natural gas. ये compressed natural gas है which is working as a fuel, जो कि फ्यूल की तरह यूज होता है. एंड these days we are using it in our vehicle. हम अपने vehicles में यूज करते हैं because it is a pollution free फ्यूल. ये पोल्यूशन फ्री फ्यूल है. इट डज नॉट पोल्यूट आवर इन्वायरमेंट. ये हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को पोल्यूट नहीं करता. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज इट. क्लियर? एंड फ्यूल इज बेसिकली ऑल्सो यूज टू कुक फूड. कुछ फ्यूल ऐसे होते हैं जो कुकिंग के लिए भी यूज किए जाते हैं. लाइक वी विल टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलपीजी. एलपीजी स्टैंड्स फॉर लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. ये जो होती है एलपीजी, ये क्या होती है? लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस विच वी यूज इन किचन सिलेंडर, जो हम किचन सिलेंडर्स में यूज करते हैं. एंड दिस फ्यूल इज यूज्ड एज टू कुक फूड. अगर हमें फूड कुक करना होता है, क्योंकि सिलेंडर किचन में है, तो हम उसका यूज कहाँ लेते हैं? फॉर कुकिंग फूड. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ फ्यूल. So now children, what were these? These were the sources of energy by which the energies can be produced. Here you have to understand one more thing, that energy cannot be produced and cannot be finished. Okay, only it can change from one form to another. एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में इसको सिर्फ चेंज किया जाता है. How? I am giving you example. Suppose you are having a iron. Okay, iron है and you need to iron your clothes. So what happens? We are using electric energy. Okay, electric energy in iron, it produce heat energy. With the help of that heat energy, we are able to iron our clothes. So energy can change its one form to another. It can never be destroyed. It can never be produced. इसको हम produce नहीं कर सकते, इसको stop नहीं कर सकते. सिर्फ उसका form change करते हैं from one form to another. Clear? So this was your chapter 10, children. We have completed about force, work and energy. I think it was very interesting. You need to read this chapter and you have to learn this chapter. Clear? So we will meet in next video now. Till then, say bye to ma'am. Bye bye.